Baie welkom hier op Mooi Vallei Park. Dit is vandag donderdag die 27ste van Mei maand. En ons sien uit na 'n wonderlike dag van tent opslaan.
Why I'm so different, why I'm not the same as everybody else. Well, something changed, it just happened when I opened up my heart and let him in. Jesus came in, he came into my life, and I know I never felt so good. Everything is different, everything's changed. Everything is different, everything's changed. Everything is different, everything's changed. Everything is different now. Different now.
Sielewen. Kerkkamp.